Hey, be honest for a second. How many evenings have you wasted scrolling, telling yourself I'll start tomorrow, and then tomorrow comes and your brain feels foggy, tired, and zero focused? Yeah, I know that cycle because almost every student goes through it. But what if I told you your evening routine, not your morning routine, is the real reason you're struggling with focus, discipline, and motivation? And today, I'll give you one simple routine that can 10x your focus tomorrow morning, even if you feel unmotivated right now. Stay with me for the next few minutes. This might genuinely change your life. Here's the truth nobody tells students. Tomorrow's productivity actually starts tonight. Not at 5 a.m., not with coffee, not with a fancy morning routine. It starts with how you end your day. Think about it. You finish classes or study, you're mentally drained, so you grab your phone for a quick break. Suddenly, it's 11 p.m. Your room's a mess, assignments are half done, your mind is overstimulated from TikTok or YouTube, and then you expect your brain to wake up motivated. Impossible. Your brain isn't lazy, it's exhausted because you never gave it a clean landing at night. So tonight, we fix the landing. And when the landing changes, the next day takes off differently. This routine has 3 parts: simple, short, powerful. Every evening, do this. Set a 10-minute timer, reset your space, reset your mind. Clean your desk, put books in place, fill your water bottle, lay out tomorrow's clothes or bag. Why does this help? Because your brain hates chaos. When your environment is messy, your mind stays in unfinished mode. Cognitive scientists say this creates micro-stress that destroys focus the next day. So this 10-minute reset reduces mental load, builds discipline, gives you a clean, calm start tomorrow, and stops you from feeling behind before the day even begins. It's small, but it's life-changing. Grab a paper or your notes app. Write only 3 important tasks for tomorrow. Not 10, not everything, just the 3 that actually matter. Why does this work? Your brain loves clarity. When you sleep, your subconscious actually organizes tomorrow's plans. This is called prefrontal priming, meaning you wake up already knowing what to do. You waste 0 time deciding. Focus becomes automatic. No more, what should I study today? What assignment is due? What do I even start with? You already know. Listen carefully. This part is the reason your focus is dying. Before bed, your brain must shift from stimulation to calm. So for 30 minutes, no phone, no scrolling, no loud music, no blue light. Choose something calming. Read a book, journal 3 lines, stretch, a calming playlist, deep breathing for 2 minutes. When you cut stimulation before bed, your dopamine levels reset. This is what gives you morning focus, emotional stability, calm thinking, better memory, and actual motivation. Do this for just 1 week, and you'll feel a focus level you haven't felt in years. Look, I know student life is overwhelming. Assignments, tests, expectations, social pressure, family pressure, your own dreams, your own doubts. Sometimes it feels like everyone else has their life together, and you're the only one struggling to stay consistent. But you're not alone. You're not broken. You don't need to be motivated. You just need better systems. And this evening routine is one of those systems. If you do this evening routine tonight, tomorrow you'll wake up with a clean space, a clear plan, low stress, higher willpower, more focus, and actual motivation. Why? Because your brain isn't overwhelmed anymore. Students don't lack motivation. Students lack mental clarity. And this routine gives you clarity. Here's your new evening routine. 1. 10-minute environment reset. 2. Write your tomorrow list, 3 tasks. 3. 30-minute wind down, no screens. That's it. Simple, repeatable, life-changing. Do this tonight. Not next week, not when I feel ready. Tonight. Your future self will thank you for starting. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs to fix their evenings too. You're not meant to stay stuck. This is your year. Let's build your best version together.